sut i rafio a dechrau mewn 10 munud. Mae'n bwysig eich bod chi'n gwylio hwn i chi gael
Please be seated. Prynhawn da bawb, Pat Young dwi, a croeso cynnes I graddio Prifysgol Caerdydd. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Pat Young, Chair of Cardiff University's governing body, the University Council, and I want to extend to you a warm welcome to our Cardiff University 2026 graduation ceremonies. To our graduands, llongyffraciadau dosbarth 2024, congratulations, class of 2026. We are all here today to celebrate your achievements. The class of 2026 in two of our schools, the Cardiff Business School and the School of Journalism, Media and Culture. Now, while you've been with us, you've learned in partnership with our academics and professional services staff. On your learning journey, our business students have come to truly appreciate the interconnections between business, the economy, society and the environment, better than any generation before you. We know that you will make the ethical and responsible leadership decisions that this world desperately needs. Those in our School of Journalism, Media and Culture have become highly literate, critical thinkers. You recognise the importance of intellectual objectivity, preparation, meeting deadlines, and most importantly, you leave us as citizens better prepared for a life in a media-dominated world. Your schools want you to know that you have all of the knowledge, talent and humanity to become a positive force in your field and in the world. Now we live in an age of keyboard warriors and instant experts, but your Cardiff University qualification is evidence to the world of your academic achievements and proof that you are ambitious, passionate, and have a brilliant mind. Embark on your next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that that brings. Be brave. Thank you for all that you have brought to your school and to our university community. Your school and all of us are very proud of you. For now, your job is to sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and enjoy this moment. To all of the family and friends here today, you're here because you are also proud. So as your loved one crosses the stage, please make sure they notice that you are here. We need lots of loud and enthusiastic applause. Remember, this is Cardiff. This is not Swansea. This is not Bristol. This is Cardiff. That was at the rather polite end of what we're hoping for, but please do not hold back. Llongyfarchiadau, class of 2026, congratulations. I now have the pleasure of introducing Owain Sean. Owain will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you will have encountered Gwyneth's work before in the form of the 6-foot-high words, thought to be the biggest poem in the world, on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at Cardiff University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. This poem, Education, was especially commissioned by Cardiff University.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwella dy wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that turns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring. Makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive, admits the joy of institutes, is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y proclamasiwn yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yn Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh, then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydde dwybod i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrif ddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgolheictod, wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn ac, wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol. Hwy sydd i geisio, trwy cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth ac ofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations.
Shemai, I'm Eve, your Vice President, Societies and Volunteering at Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau. It's a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you've built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment, but you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from Norton Fitzwarren, Farringdon, or even France. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it was pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations, class of 2026.
Prynawn da iawn I chi gyd. Very good afternoon to all of you. Fy enw i, my name is Professor Damien Morford-Davies, and I'm Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. And I'm delighted that today my job is a very simple one. It's warmly to welcome all students to receive their award. Rhetorically, through a doff of the cap and an act of naming, an act of walking as well. I'll come back to that in a moment. But also, of course, by acknowledging the huge intellectual and emotional effort by students and staff over many years. So it's a ceremony, but behind the ceremony is achievement and application. Now, I know that you know, and the Chair of Council has just emphasised this, how necessary it is to make a crazy amount of noise. As much noise as possible in celebration of our graduates. Strange, unearthly cries need to be heard, unknown to science. But I've got a favour to ask, and it's about applause. So each graduate, as they pass down this runway, as it were, towards the camera, will go on their own personal journey. It is, in fact, you'll find, a longer journey, physically, than perhaps you might think. And it's really important, because they're going through their own individual experience, their own joyful journey, for you to keep up the applause as a consistent noise for everybody. Would you do that for me? Yeah. Excellent. Diolch yn fawr. Cymeradwyaeth gyson, cymeradwyaeth wydn. Byddwn ni'n ddiolchgar iawn. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, I will ask them to stand. And at that point, something magical happens. It's our tradition for me to speak in what is my own first language at that point, in Welsh, to receive each group of graduates to their awards. Ni fydd angen wrth gwrs unrhyw esboniad ar y Cymru Cymraeg, but the Welsh phrase I will use translates as, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. So listen out for that word. You've heard it a number of times in Welsh already today, llongyfarchiadau. It will go, trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi, i'ch dyfarniad, a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil, cue the magic word, llongyfarchiadau. One piece of advice, on doffing, there's good doffing, there's not so good doffing. Everybody I know will be a good doffer today. And just one piece of advice, the top of the mortarboard, this is called a mortarboard of course, is just that little bit higher than you think. Can I now introduce Dr. Matt Walsh, head of the School of Journalism, Media and Culture, who will present the students for their awards. Matt.
I, Dr. Matt Walsh, introduce those who have received the Bachelor of Arts. Laura Cruikshank. Emily Daisy Adam. Emily Jane Allen. Samar Bakali. Lottie Baston. Natasha Rachel Butterchamp. Brandon Biddis. Mohammed Hanif Nazim bin Mohammed Shibli. Amy Camerudan. Mariah Dania Sofia Binti Mahathir. Rihanna Bishop. Eleanor Black. Isabel Blunt. Jacob Boothroyd. Lucy Bouch. Madison May Bowles. Harry Broadhurst. Emily Olivia Brompton. Liam Michael Caroline Bryan. Rowan Dominique Bulpert. Millie Bunyan. Anna Victoria Burgess. James Burns. Baxter Samuel Burt. Shay Carter. Daisy May Chaxfield. Lucy Louise Chambers. Luyang Chen. Callie Churcher. Brianna Valentina Chubanani. Abigail Cole. Sunny Cole. Susanna Collier. Ella Collis. Samantha Colvin. Lorcan James Connolly. Eloise Rose Cooper. Melody Van Sang Hui Cox. Caris Crandon. Grace Alexandra Davis. Leah Davies. Millie Davis. Ella Dixon. Shushwoi Dong. Ariana Doshi. Ellen Durrell. Ellis Reese Evans. Jessica Evans. Megan Evans. Elise Fairclough. Bertie Ferguson. Esme Fowler. Erin Rachel French. Georgina Emily Helen Frost. Katie Garnett. Adam Gaston. Jiayu Gen. India and Harrod Roberts George. Emily Gilbar. Gemma Gillespie. Poppy Goggin-Jones. Eva Grimsdale. Evie Guy. Lydia Guy. Lucy Joanna Haynes. Emma Hallam. Alicia Hampson. Charlotte Hardy Watts. Anwen Heyman. Reese Griffith Hicks. Lauren Grace Hill. Lila Ray Hill. Isabella Hobson. Charlotte Howarth. Rachel Howarth. Emma Han. Huang Jingyang. Martha Noel Humphreys. Maya Jacob. Shayna May Jacobs. Molly James. Rhiannon Tallulah James. Lauren Jeffries. Georgia Jenkins. Natalie Elizabeth Jennings. Mackenzie John. Ross Neal John. Keris Jones. George Jones. Olivia Caitlin Jones. Poppy May Jones. Bridie Karajas. Anya Castle-Ewald. Cheryl Kerseby. Pearl Sharon Kathleen Keeble. Sean Killen. Amelia Jade King. Florence Eleanor Jane Ladbury. Lauren Lavelle. Charlotte Law. Ashley Law Sun Yu. Charlotte Louise Lehman. Hannah Lehman. India Lloyd James. Amber Liluka. Rufat Mamadov. Anisha Marina. Isabel Mark. Olivia Mesa. Ross McGregor. Isabella McKenzie. Georgia Catherine McKissick. Kira Meehan. Hannah Morgans-Bowen. Stacey Moriarty. Isabel Lunson. Mared Morris. Sheena. Wisit Nazir. Tia Newman. Corey Nichol. Kira Rose O'Leary. Ella Ovenden. Amelie Palmer. Ria Mary Cowell Palmer. Carolina Dominguez Perez. Oliver Thomas Perry. Brody Lee Phillips. Lily Porch. Alicia Posnet. Maisie Charlotte Ava Price. Chen Kian. Catherine Quigg. Zoe Rayner. Anirin John Reed. Isabella Reynolds. Chloe Riley. Grace Riley. Olivia May Rogers. Ina Routley. Myra Sahu. Isabel Schofield. William Seymour. Rocco Paul Shaw. Ella Marie Simons. Thomas Smallwood. Louis Emmanuel Sparks. Martha Spencer. Thomas Leo Spencer. Ankita Sridhar. Darcy Eleanor Stainer. Emily Stevens. Megan Elizabeth Stevenson. Emma Stokes. Isabel Olivia Stone. Anya Suhotka. Joseph Swindell. Taylor Taradush. James Terry. Charlie Thomas. Esme Thompson. Emma Amelia Tompkins. Zara Elise Townley. Grace Lauren Turvey. Ansia Uziel. Imogen Rose Vardo. Mary Veyral. Sophie Warbank. Cara Walker. Elowen Wallington. Jerry Wang. Amy Jessica Ward. Gabriel Sebastian Ward. Olivia Watt. Reed Webb. Josie Millie White. Tess Whitehead. Megan Whitmore. Ella Woolley. Maisie Williams. Oscar Wilmot. Tom Wilson. Kayla Marie Worrell Morrison. Eve Yates. Giorgio Zanassi. Yu Zhang. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Cymeradwyeth wych, thank you very much. You heeded the call with the clapping, excellent. There were cries there not heard since the Jurassic. Nice. A wnaeth yr rhai sydd newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll os medrwch. Os gwelwch yn dda, will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Steddwch os gwelwch yn dda, please sit. Nice.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Rachel Ferguson. Libby Catherine Kettle. Hugh Lovett. Sean Morgan. Meghan Morris. Brandon Aaron Pratt. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Emma Ager. Safia Yasmin Ahmed. Haris Farid Armstrong. Benjamin Asuon. Bay Enge. Toby J. Bailey. Molly Baker. Lois Megan Beasley. Thomas David George Begley. Alfie Bennett. Rashi Bhattacharya. James Dylan Besant Davis. Dylan Phoenix Billiard. Eve Dulcie Burke. Alex Bosefield. Kira Alice Bowden. Katie Bowie. Caitlin May Brown. Charlotte Brown. Eleni Bryon. Jade Burrell. Clemency Byrne. Eva Carhill. Arna Chatterjee. Hao Chen. Harriet Coslet. Joseph Cox Jenkins. Yuan Dai. William Daglish. Elliot Davies. Owain Davies. Callum Devereaux. Yi Jing Din. Samay Dixit. Grace Downer. Sanjana Manish Dua. Nicole Farrell. James Christopher Fleming. Christina Aku Forjord. Emily Fox. Bethan Fry. Manasi Gaikwad. Advait Vivesh Gaganwala. Yutong Gao. Shubhankar Goshal Roy. Shambhavi Goswami. Dylan Stanley Green. Leah Griffiths. Ella Louise Groves. Joe Hearn. Miriam Catherine Hyde. Jared Bailey Horn. William John Charles Hubbard. Serial Hughes. Mishal Hussain. Olivia Jade Husband. Megan Hughes. Aparna Jacob. Hannah Temitopi Jagiri. Victoria Jazwinska. Prashant Jha. Ji Jing Yi. Amelia Charlotte Jones. Becca Nia Jones. Elisa Rose Jones. Zoe Olivia Jones. Elizabeth Werumu Karuki. Gwendolyn Sandra Koib-Shabiri. Poppy Kate McFarlane. Iona Rose McWhirter Harley. Yasmin Moore. Max McNulty. Salome Liana Mumgaga. Holly Morgan. Sydney Morgan. Polly Morin. Joshua Mark Mulford. Amber Mary Murphy. Samuel Jason Andrew Mattard. Vishali Nandi. Florence New. Alexandra Nogueira. Charlie O'Keefe. Karen Nancy Atieno Otieno. Pavitra Padinjarut. Magdalena Veronica Patinska. Yingjing Pei. Lara Millie Philpott. Shree Poddar. Reese Potter. Lydia Ramos. George Radcliffe. Lucy Rawlings. Pollyanna Reese. Sorry, it's C. Okay. Lucy Hannah Regan. Shiwan Reese. Gwenno Lois Robinson. Zania Imelda Romero Wisman. Louis Sadler. Tatiana Sanderson. Hai Ho Shan. Vasundhara Sharma. Mary Isaac. Xinji Shen. Alania Smith. Dine Song. Sanjana Srinivasan. Thomas Stokes. Malaya Sohail. Mohammed Dabish. Daniel Taylor. Dylan Devadas. Chloe May Thomas Evans. Morgan Alice Tiernan. Sharon Urani. Phoebe Urridge. Cami Tristana Valer. Erin Walsh. Hannah Elizabeth Walton Hughes. Chen Shi Wong. Xin Yu Wong. Duncan Welch. Neve Whitby. Susanna White. Becca Darlis Williams. Rebecca Elise Williams. Damilare Christian William Shires. Mia Wilson. Joseph Oliver Woods. Molly Woodthorpe. Morgan Woolley. Meng Yu. Hao Yu Jung. Zhang Rei Wu. Le Xinju Zhao. Chen Yu Zhou. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Business Administration. Soham Adurkar. Varan Akurati, son of A. Lakshmi. Sama Al-Kasi. Meher Bavsar. Revati Biradar. Amartya Dayal. Manasa Dara Ningprada Lakshmi. Wan Si Hon. Surya Kodi Dasu. Dhriti Kulshestra. Saravananan Mudler. Moe Safra Sahi. Mohit Sharma. Riya Sharma. Ines Talhi. Ansh Tandul. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Mustafa Abdul Jabbar. Rafia Adil. Tanisha Agarwal. Saksham Agarwal. Nazifa Anisha Ahmed. Muhammad Hassan. Anjali Ajit. Ajmer Khan. Salim Al-Tamimi. Omar Nayal Abdullah Al-Diabat. Heather Ali. Abdul Malik Al-Muyadib. Amal Muhammad Ahmed Al-Kubeti. Sanskruti Ajay Aglavi. Pranchal Anand. Sushmita Ananthan Meenakshi. Anisha Ansar. Riya Beheti. Alex Quillen Bird. Thank you. Princess Abby Bibiway. Lewis Sean Bowen. Alize Bukhari. Ji Chin Chow. Pippa Cato. Rohit Anil Churdishal. Napan Chand. Mathivanan Chandrasekhar. Rian Chivers. Isabel May Copeland. Suella Vanda da Costa. Amelia Dale. Alicia de Ambrosio. Abby Davis. Kay Scott Davis. Tristan Davies. Grace Louise Dawson. Bandita Deb. Brooke De Silva. Darcy Diamond. Maria Mejaz. Kim Encarnacion. Kaylee Jane Sariola Enriquez. Harriet Evans. Rebecca Fletcher. Hannah Louise Fry. Prabhakaran Ganesan. Ji Fan Gao. Ayush Gopalani. Stephanie Kate Goss. Lisa Victoria Griffith. Caroline Groves. Catherine Hackney. Jessica Hatfield. Charles Peter Hagan. Angela Dawn Haggett. Sophia Halpenny. George Hampton. Poppy Georgina Harris. Saida Zara Hussain. Lindsay Denise Hodge. MD Zafar Hussain Muzaffar. Neve Howden Evans. Saad Humayun. Fleur Jacobs. Amelia Nadine Jones. Ellis Jones. Toshika Joshi. Kumuran Kartigayan. Leah Karunga. Kishore Kumar. Haruka Kawashima. Aaron Kendall. Elijan Khwaja. Jitesh Kumar. Kalate Aniket Anil. Puneet Krishna. Sneha Krishnamurthy. Rukesh Kumar. Maria Landus. Haoxuan Lee. Wei Fang Lin. Lin Zihan. Zhou Ai Liu. Ankit Madela. Shashank Madhukesh. Rishi Susindran. William Mansell. Ratna Rekha Monukonda. Ellie Charlotte Mears. James Marshall. Alexander McCoy. Nathan Mitchell. Jacob Morris. Ishan Nick. Ram Prasad Nawali. Alice Nicole. Haruka Ona. Lena Othman. Rebecca Owen. Aniket Petani. Ritesh Kumar Patel. Mats Otto Pelders. Ben Phillips. Jack Pitts. Geraint Thomas Porter. Callum Powell. You don't want to Raja Rajan Prakash. Sam Proctor. Praveen Raj Rajesh. Hamza Ishtiaq Rana. Krishikesh Ramesh Rathod. You don't want to look, yeah, okay. Shankar Rodesai, sorry. Chris Rebello. Rujie Ren. Sadimin. Joe Shaddock. Shivam Sharma. Jingxing Shi. Jingxing Shi. David Adeluwa Shorinwa. Mashura Mahmood Shufti. Japnish Kaur Sidhu. Christopher Skibniewski Ball. Leiba? Laiba Tahir. Aditya Tamarana. Khushi Tambe. Duru Tanir. Rosie Target. Zarin Tasneem. Ellie Hannah Taylor. Christopher Brian Thomas. Shivana Tiwari. Amelia Tristan. Holly Turner. Madhusudan Venkatram. Tejas Venkatesh. Edward Matthew Wade. Curtis Michael Waters. Changjin Wei. Paulina Vyabitska. Daniel Windsor. Freya Woodward. Louisa Worrell. Yue Wu. No. I haven't said your name. It's okay. Zi Xiaoxing. Jiangzhou Zhao. Yi Zhou. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Lots of excitement, folks. I'd particularly like 2 pockets of Jurassic Park. One is over here, the other one is over there. Very good. That one. You know who you are. As they return to their seats, it's wonderful to note two-way glances thrown and very affectionate fingers being pointed in 2 directions, not only out to you, loved ones and family, but to the academic faculty behind me. And I do want to, no applause, but I do want to compliment my colleagues in their naming and the recitation of the names. Very, very difficult. Well done. I like you, you're good. No. A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sy'n newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll, os gwelwch yn dda. Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. Diolch o galon, diolch fawr iawn. Please be seated. Steddwch, sgwelwch yn dda.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Basma, the Doctor of Ahmed Menver Al-Darsi. Dr. Edil Luis Guabo Anabuani. Dr. Nelly Atting. Dr. Gareth Charles Chapman. Dr. Yan Chendai. Dr. Edward Davis. Dr. Julia Dinez. Dr. Yu Chen Feng. Dr. Panayoto Giorgio. Dr. Yuan Li Guo. Dr. Dua Guzez. Dr. Daniel Jin. Dr. Yi Sung Min. Dr. Sadie Levy-Gale. Dr. Katie Lloyd. Dr. Susanna Neeson. Dr. Celia Nitana. Dr. Isabella Orpen. Dr. Sun Rukai. Dr. Shiwen Zhang. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Now that takes some confidence, respect. Gwych iawn. A wnaeth yr rheini sy'n newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniad chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Well, prynawn da bawb. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sian Morgan-Lloyd, fy enw yw Sian Morgan-Lloyd, and I am the Deputy Head of School for Education and Student Experience at the School of Journalism, Media and Culture. And we now come to a special part of the ceremony where we celebrate distinguished individuals for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, I Gaerdydd, to Wales, I Gymru, and the world, i'r byd. And today, we recognise Rhianedd Richards and Raoul Canval with the award of an honorary fellowship. Their success is part of your day's success. Felly dyma gyfle I nodi ein hedmygedd, ein balchder a'n diolch wrth gyflwyno cymrodoriaethau a graddau anrhydedd. Heddiw rydym yn dathlu nid yn unig I llwyddiant hwy, ond hefyd yr hyn sy'n bosibl I chi wrth gychwyn ar bennod nesaf eich taith. Rhianedd Richards is the BBC's Interim Director of Nations and sits on the BBC's Executive Committee. Appointed to the role in June 2025, Rhianedd is responsible for one of the BBC's largest teams, which serves nations and local audiences across the UK. Her leadership and guidance is helping shape the stories millions of people rely on and enjoy daily across BBC television, radio and online. Rhianedd began her career as a journalist with BBC Wales, becoming a familiar voice and face on some of its flagship news and political programmes. She took a departure from broadcasting to work in government and politics in Wales, before returning to the BBC as editor of Welsh Language Services in 2018. She has also served as director of BBC Wales, with responsibility for the content strategy and editorial priorities for the nations across all media platforms and services in English and in Welsh. Originally from the Cynon Valley, Rhiannon attended Ysgol Gyfun Rhydfelen. She studied at Aberystwyth University and was awarded a BBC scholarship to study a postgraduate diploma here at Cardiff University's School of Journalism, Media and Culture. Rhiannon is Deputy Chair of Aberystwyth University Council and an Honorary Fellow of the University. She is also a trustee of the Royal Television Society and a member of the UK Government's Creative Industries Council. Rhiannon's story is a powerful example for all of you graduating today, not only because of the scale of her achievements and ambition, but because it shows us that growth isn't always linear. Like Rhiannon, your path may twist or turn, changing directions as you move through life. But as you leave Prifysgol Caerdydd today, you have the tools, the knowledge, and the potential to succeed and thrive and make your own mark on the world. Felly mae stori Rhiannon yn dyst I werth dyfal barhad, I chelgais ac ymrwymiad I wasanaeth cyhoeddus, gwerthoedd sy'n ganolog I Gymru ac i'n prifysgol ni. Rahul Kanwal started his working career as a curious young reporter on Zee News in 1999 and has grown to become one of India's most respected voices in journalism. With over 25 years of experience in television journalism, investigative reporting, and editorial strategy, he is now CEO and editor-in-chief at NDTV, one of India's most influential and trusted news networks. Before joining NDTV, Rahul held several senior leadership roles at the India Today group, including news director for India Today and Aaj Tak, where he led editorial operations across television and digital. He also served as executive director at Business Today, guiding the brand through a phase of strategic transformation and content diversification. As an anchor, Rahul is known for his incisive interviews and election analysis. He has hosted acclaimed shows like News Track, a hard-hitting primetime bulletin, and Jab We Met, a conversational series featuring prominent voices from politics, business, and public life. His credibility as a field reporter and sharp on-air presence have earned him widespread industry recognition. A graduate of Delhi University, Rahul honed his skills here at Cardiff University, studying international broadcast journalism. He's also an alumnus of Harvard Business School's General Management Program, GMP. A recipient of the Chevening Scholarship and the Rory Peck Trust Grant for Hostile Environment Journalism, Rahul is also the founder of pioneering newsroom initiatives like the Anti-Fake News War Room, AFWA, and the Open Source Intelligence Desk, OSINT, reflecting his deep commitment to credible, innovation-driven journalism. In honouring Rahul today, we celebrate the power of curiosity, courage and conviction. In a world that needs your integrity and your imagination, Rahul's story encourages you to speak the truth, to ask the difficult questions, and to follow your hopes and dreams. Anrydeddus dirprwy is-ganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi y rhai sydd i'w derbyn yn gymrodwyr Anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Rhiannon Richards and Rahul Kanwal to be accepted as Honorary Fellows of Cardiff University.
Rhiannon, Rahul. Drwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Cyngor, derbyniaf chi fel cymrodyr Anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i'r ddau ohonoch chi. Rhiannon, Rahul. Congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau.
Wel, diolch o galon i chi'r Brifysgol am yr anrhydedd. I'm sincerely grateful to accept this honorary fellowship from an institution that has shaped my family's story. Over 90 years ago, my grandfather studied here before becoming a teacher. Nearly 3 decades ago, I studied here alongside the man who was to become my husband. Let that be a lesson to some of you. And this Friday, my son will graduate here as a Doctor of Medicine and will be celebrating and he'll be celebrating at the Growlow along with the rest of you tonight. 3 generations bound by one special university, which is a critical part of the fabric of Wales. It's where ideas are tested, where ambition is sharpened, and it gave me, like it will give you, the confidence to try to make a difference. To learn is to be liberated and empowered, to lift others up and to give back to society. And when I left this university, I wanted to do that as a journalist. I wanted to play my part in that daily act of telling the story of Wales to its people, helping this nation understand itself. I wanted to pursue truth, the most honest version I could find, to help us see ourselves clearly as a society, our strengths and our flaws. And I wanted to hold power to account, to give people a voice, a safeguard of democracy itself. I cannot claim to have fulfilled those ambitions perfectly, but at this university, I was given the skills to pursue them at the BBC and to discover a sense of purpose. So thank you, Cardiff. And to the graduates here today, my advice to you is to be curious, relentlessly so. Curiosity is not just the foundation of knowledge, it is the key to empathy and understanding. Apply critical thinking. Never accept things at face value. Examine, question, and reflect. Challenge respectfully but fearlessly. Push against assumptions and imagine alternatives, and keep innovating. You will need creativity, resilience, and courage as you shape the new solutions all our futures need. But alongside this, always be mindful of the footprint you leave behind you. The way you treat people matters deeply. Be kind. Be champions of civility and decency. And finally, wherever your journeys take you, carry Caerdydd, Cardiff, with you. Carry Cymru and our language with you. Carry the values, the friendships, and the sense of belonging that this place has given you. And together, we will always be a part of this university story, just as it is such an important part of ours. Dymuniadau gorau chi, a diolch yn fawr. Thank you.
Professor Damien Walford Davies, Deputy Vice-Chancellor, distinguished faculty, esteemed guests, proud families, and the graduates of the class of 2026. Standing here today, receiving Cardiff University's honorary fellowship is both deeply humbling and profoundly personal. For me, Cardiff is more than an institution where I spent a transformative chapter in my professional journey. It is a campus that shaped my voice, my values, and my understanding of journalism. I came to Cardiff in 2002 as a participant in the Chevening Fellowship for International Broadcast Journalists. I arrived curious and ambitious in search of my own professional compass. My time at Cardiff gave me direction, gave me purpose. It taught me that journalism is a mission. It is about meticulous preparation and deep discipline. It is about listening carefully and asking fairly. I still remember our lectures in the Butte building, watched over by the Red Dragon, and a classroom filled with students from across the world: India, Africa, Cuba, Tibet, Cyprus, Myanmar, and beyond. We arrived with different accents, different histories, and different cultural realities, but with one shared belief that journalism mattered. When we arrived on campus in 2002, the World Cup of football was going on. I remember our classes would come to a grinding halt each time there was a big match being played. And I thought to myself, how wonderful is this? The professors pause their classes so that everyone can watch the match together. This would have never happened back home. Erling Haaland was 2 years old then. Harry Kane was 9. And now, 24 years later, I'm back in Cardiff during another World Cup, just before England take on Argentina. Football reminds us of the importance of skill, teamwork, agility, self-belief, technique, and adaptability, qualities that matter as much in journalism as they do in life. I was fortunate to learn from exceptional mentors. Ian Masters taught us the grammar of television, how to understand the audience, how to communicate with clarity and impact. Colin Larcombe taught us the craft behind the screen: camera, editing, production, lighting. Derek Woodcock, with his unforgettable broadcast baritone, taught us radio, tone, and pace, and the power of words when there is no picture to lean on. Then there are memories that still make me smile. Ian Masters once played an impossible interviewee, an elderly woman with a scarf around her head and completely unsettled each interviewer. It was hilarious, but the point was unmistakable. An interview is never just a set list of questions. It is a living, unpredictable conversation, and you have to be prepared for all scenarios. Cardiff also gave us life beyond the classroom. Talibond, the city centre, BBC Wales, broadcast studios, Hay-on-Wye, Swansea, the Brecon Beacons, and friendships built while discovering a new country. Today at NDTV, one of India's largest and most trusted news networks, as we build for a media age shaped by digital platforms, artificial intelligence, speed, and constant noise, I find myself returning to what I learned at Cardiff again and again. We are trying to build journalism that can move with the times without being swept away by them. Technology can assist storytelling. It can make us quicker, smarter, and more responsive, but it cannot replace judgment. It cannot replace human reporting. It cannot replace understanding and empathy. To Cardiff University and the Schevening Fellowship, thank you for giving me a foundation that has guided me through every stage of my journey. To the graduating class of 2026, congratulations. Step into the world with ambition, but also with humility. Ask better questions. Listen deeply. Define success in a way that allows you to recognize yourself when you look back. May your next chapter be bold, meaningful, and entirely your own. Thank you, and all the best for life and for the match tonight.
Thank you, Rihanna. Thank you, Rahul. A lot to take away there from fellow alumni. Rihanna, creativity, innovation, and courage, but be kind and be civil. And Rahul, tech can assist us, but it can't replace judgment. It can't replace reporting, and it can't replace empathy. For those of you moving into that world of journalism, a world I've worked in for many years, real advice to take with you on that journey, as well as that advice about finding your own way and finding your own path. So, to the class of 2026, Clongafraciadau, congratulations. You are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. You came in as undergraduates, you leave as alumni. I myself graduated from Cardiff University in 1987. My experiences here changed my life, and I remain close to many of the class of 87 to this day. All I wish for you is that it has the same impact in your lives. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles. Others are quiet, solid contributors to their community. Cardiff has given you much more than a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and challenge conventional wisdom. You have shown willingness, determination and spirit, the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. For some of you, today will be tinged with sadness as you say goodbye to Cardiff, this vibrant, colourful and diverse city that has been the backdrop to your journey through university. But Cardiff University will always be your university. And now, as part of our alumni community, we want you to come back here often to tell us how you're doing. Just this Friday night, nearly 1,000 alumni will be here for the first ever big reunion weekend, reconnecting alumni and reflecting on how Cardiff has helped shape their lives and our lives. I today extend an invitation to you, the class of 2026, to join us next July in 2027 for your first anniversary reunion. And after that, I want you to keep coming back. Now, wherever life takes you, we hope that you'll become a flag bearer for your university and carry forward our values of kindness and generosity of spirit. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, of memories. And we hope you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Now, before we close this ceremony, there is one last Cardiff University tradition that we need to uphold. Whilst today has all been about your achievement, you haven't done it on your own. And so you have been supported throughout your journey by your family, your friends, your supporters, and of course, your academic lecturers and professional staff throughout your degree. So I'd like to ask the class of 2026 to stand if they are able. Okay. Now, everybody in this hall made a lot of noise for you to congratulate you on your achievement. Now it's your turn to make even more noise to thank them for their support. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You didn't hear me earlier. I said we are Cardiff, we are not Swansea, we are not Bristol. Can I please hear it for the support you've had from your families, friends and supporters? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Thank you. And on behalf of all of us, thank you, and thank you for everything you've done. Now, please be seated. Now, to close our celebration, here is a film welcoming you all to the Cardiff University alumni family. Please enjoy it. And at the end of the film, please will you stand as the platform party leaves. You can also click your fingers, tap your feet, you can even dance as the ceremony draws to a close. I want to thank you all for joining us today, and congratulations once again to the class of 2026. Diolch yn fawr, good luck, pob lwc.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? Today, we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today, we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today, we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare, or Aberconwy, I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark, Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day,
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael lyfryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at 18. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.